Enter Bollywood. सब मिलेगा ZoomTV.in.
इतना स्ट्रेस होने के बावजूद भी the contestants have to put forth their creative best. Well, fashion designers के लिए तो बहुत ही important है to combine managerial skills along with creativity.
Just stitching my garment. It's a jacket which I'm making right now.
जैकेट कंप्लीट हो गया है तो मेरा सिर्फ अंदर का जंपसूट बाकी है.
I think I'm in my process and I'm happy right now.
किस तरह से आपने टाका लगाया, सब इतना भद्दा दिख रहा है. देखो
टाइम लिमिट बहुत कम है, फैब्रिक्स में टेक्सचरिंग इतनी है, प्रिंट्स ऐसे हैं, इतना कंफ्यूजन हो रहा है. टास्क है सुपर हार्ड, स्टिल वर्किंग, बहुत काम बचा है.
Anyway, we get such less time to do tasks, so we got really depressed. Even we spoke to the master ji.
just kept me two piece over there. Okay, one is getting done, so I'll put that thing, and then as soon as the jacket is done, I'll put that thing. The thing is, after the trial, we'll get to iron it, right?
You get to iron it and cut it.
एक बोहेमियन आउटफिट जिसमें इतना सारा हाथ का काम मांगता है, पॉसिबल नहीं है.
This is the dress, इसके साथ bag and then I have muffler also.
I thought I won't be able to finish it, but thank God I finished it on time and half an hour is just left. I'm just almost done.
Did something bohemian, but still she ended up making little evening wear.
शूट करो भैया.
She's done a Victorian garment with that hat every time on that side. I don't know why. So I think she doesn't deserve to be here.
Almost done with my dress. As you can see, मैं jumpsuit बना रही हूँ.
मेरा भी garment almost completion की stage पे है. I think finishing और lining बाकी है.
Last touches बचे हैं, वही कर रहे हैं.
मेरा गारमेंट पूरा कंप्लीट हो गया है और ये मेरा सिर्फ बैग है अभी मेरे पास और मेरा गारमेंट रैक पे लगा चुका मैं और अभी मैं सबको हेल्प कर रहा हूँ थोड़ा बहुत. सच में क्यों नहीं दिख रहा है? अच्छा एक काम करो, उतना कुछ मत करो, इसको ऐसे कर दे, इसको ऊपर से ऐसे फोल्ड कर दो.
Okay, everyone, stop. Time's up. क्या हो रहा है? बस. They're doing a work. You're standing.
No.
बस मशीन नहीं, बस हो गया.
You're just
Keep it
trying
on the
to put
hanger.
this off. Take this off the corner.
बस. Keep it on the hanger.
Yeah, doing it.
Keep it on the hanger now.
Contestants ने अपने outfits submit तो कर दिए हैं, but let's go and find out how happy they are with their creations.
बहुत चैलेंजिंग था क्योंकि हाफ ऑफ द फैब्रिक्स वर नॉट मैचिंग, किसी के साथ कुछ भी दे दिया था, इसलिए इट वाज वेरी चैलेंजिंग, बट आई एम वेरी हैप्पी आई वाज एबल टू मेक इट.
I think the fabric cotton is the perfect for the bohemian theme.
It's a garment very comfortable, especially the prints and all, which the look in the cotton is amazing.
I wanted to work more with like a little bit of surfaces and more of like some interesting silhouettes which would have a very jumbled up, very asymmetric and very raggedy looks.
It's very something very easy to wear, which can be like fits from anywhere. Like you just do it and then just wear it and then just move along.
Bohemian to me is a very grunge look, at the same time sophisticated too, with a little bit of class also.
I got some fabrics which I really didn't like initially. So I took it as a challenge and I tried to do something which makes it interesting and yet it looks bohemian.
I make very simple garments, but I know कि bohemian look is a very interesting, separates, coordinated, and अलग-अलग garments put together to give a look.
Full cotton look and the silhouette has come out very good with the fabric.
I think the time was little less to think about what print should go with what texture should we give where.
I think the best part was, apart from garment, people made a lot of accessories which was required for the theme.
Cotton is the right fabric for bohemian because bohemian is all about raw edges and very raw finished garments and lots of layering happening because it's all about nomadic people.
Let's catch our budding designers on Let's Design Season 2 after this short break.